Hi, welcome to day 11 of 12 days of content creation tips. When people ask me about equipment, I always tell them everything they need is probably in the palm of their hand. It's their smartphone. But today I want to share 3 inexpensive accessories that I like to use when I'm shooting short form video. Number 1 is this little silicone sticky mount, which you simply take and stick on the back of your phone. And once you have it on the back of your phone, you can stick your phone on many smooth objects, including a mirror or maybe out a window to get great natural light while you're recording your videos. The next thing that I want to mention is a stylus, which looks something like this, and it has a little rubber tip on the end that you can use to work on your phone. And if you're all thumbs like I am, you'll find that using a stylus will make working on your phone, doing things like editing and writing text much easier. The last thing I want to mention is this teeny tiny phone stand that you can take with you pretty much wherever you go. It's easy to expand it and set your phone on it when you want to do a little recording on the fly. As I said in the beginning, the only thing you really need to record short form videos is your smartphone. But I wanted to share 3 tools that I use regularly to make recording just a little bit easier. And I'll be back tomorrow with another content creation tip.